It's late. Yeah. It's gonna fall. Oh, it's better. I have the hiccups. My stomach hurts. Her hair, oh, I thought her hair was blue underneath. I was like, oh my gosh. Dude, I'm trying to watch TV. Well, it's 2:37 in the morning, and we're not going to bed until 4:05, because that's my birthday is, so... What chickens are babies? She has a what? A big nose. Huh? That's the last poor chicken.